Okay, yeah, I can see the questions. Okay, we're given this expression and we're asked to make P to be the subject. Okay, now R is equals to Q square minus PR all over Q plus P. Okay, so now let's solve it together. Let's see. Now the first thing to do is just bring down the expression. So you have your solution. Now you have R to be equals to Q square minus PR all over Q plus P. Okay, now the first step to do here is just cross multiply. Okay, by crossing multiply, this is the same thing as over 1. Okay, this one will multiply the whole of this numerator and this other will multiply the whole of this denominator. So now you have 1 times the whole of this will still remain as it is. So now you have Q square minus P R to the equals. Now this R will multiply the whole of this. So you have your R open bracket Q plus P. Now you close your bracket. Okay. So now the next thing to do is let's expand this second bracket. Okay. So now by expanding this bracket, you have Q square minus PR to the equals to, now R times Q, this will be a RQ. Now this plus, now you have R times P will still the same thing as RP or PR. Okay, now the next thing to do is just remember your target is to make P to be the subject. So you have P here, you have P here, so all you need is just to collect what like terms. Okay, so as to make your P the subject easier. Okay, so now all terms with P, let's have them on one side, and all terms without P, let's have them on the other side. Okay, so now here you have Q square. Now you have what? RQ. Now when RQ crosses equality sign, it becomes what? Negative. So you have minus RQ to the equals. Now you are left with only what? RP here. Now this is what? Minus. So when it cross equality sign, it becomes what? Positive. So you have plus PR. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's minus. So minus RQ now to be equals to PR plus RP. Okay, so now you have Q square minus RQ to the equals to, now remember these terms are the same. Okay, you have PR and you have RP. Okay, it's just a matter of relationship, but the relationship is what? Multiplication, and multiplication is what? Commutative. Okay, so you can decide the same thing. You can say RP or PR is still the same, so all you need is just to add these two terms. Okay, so you have PR plus PR or RP plus RP, that will be 2 PR. Okay, or 2 RP is still the same. Okay, now your target is to make what? P to be the subject. Now you have what? Only one P here, so all you need is just what? To divide both sides by the coefficient of this P, and the coefficient of this P here is what? 2 and R. Okay, so now you have Q square minus RQ to the equals to 2PR all over 2R, and here also 2R. Okay, now these two will cancel this R will cancel this. Now you are left with only what? P. Now your P will now be the same thing as Q square minus RQ all over 2R as the final answer. Thank you.